Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
Can you tell us your name and what are you studying at Jannah Institute?
So my name is Tahnia, and I am currently, I finished Year of Knowledge year 2, so I'm currently in year 3.
MashaAllah,
Alhamdulillah.
tabarakallah. If you would describe Year of Knowledge with 3 words, what would those 3 words be?
Life-changing, eye-opening, and it's heart-wrenching, I have to say.
Subhanallah. Do you feel like it affected you in any way?
Yeah, it's a course that changed me as a person, and it feels like we are getting the knowledge from heart to heart, if that makes sense, from Shaykha's heart to directly to our heart. Like when the classes are sometimes they're 2 hours, I feel like it feels like it's 10 minutes. I can't believe it's finished. Like I'm just waiting to hear more, and then subhanallah, and the Shaykha says, "Oh, the class is over." I feel sad.
Subhanallah.
Subhanallah.
If there are some sisters who are maybe thinking about joining the program but are not sure yet, what would be the advice that you would give to them?
If you really want to change yourself, you want to change your relationship with Allah, and you want to become closer to Allah, this is the way. I mean, I've done many academic courses elsewhere in the UK, but what I found different about Jannah Institute is that Shaykha and all the other teachers, they work really hard to make sure that you are changing as a person. There's a lot of focus on how are you implementing this in life. So there is a lot of practical examples on how you can implement things, and also a lot of reflections. After every class, there is a reflection that we have to write about how I'm implementing what I have learnt, and it really makes you think. Makes you look inside, it makes you reflect inwards. Alhamdulillah.
MashaAllah, tabarakallah. Thank you so much, Sister Tahnia. May Allah reward you and make it easy for you to study about Him. Ameen. Salam alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.